all life, all of us, we are all dependent on fresh water for our basic survival. The earth would not exist in the present form with all this diversity of life if it were not for water. But freshwater ecosystems, especially riverine ecosystems, are the most threatened ecosystems today on account of what human impacts have done to them. Riverine wildlife in particular is also among the most threatened compared to terrestrial species or even marine species. Yet very little is known about how these species can be protected and can be saved from extinction. In India, in India's riverine ecosystems, there are several such threatened and critically endangered species such as the Ganges River dolphin, the Ghadial crocodile, the Indian skimmer, the several species of turtles such as the red-crowned roof turtle, the narrow-headed soft-shell turtle, and so on. There are species of otters, birds, various endemic fish species, which are all highly imperiled on account of dams, water pollution, fishing related impacts. Now, riverine ecosystems cannot be protected in the same way as we can think of protecting a forest, because the river is a commons. Water is an inalienable right for people. That is why the challenge then becomes, how do we manage the basic needs of humanity for fresh water and its benefits and ecosystem services? How do we balance that with the need for wildlife, which is also dependent on the very same and diminishing freshwater resource? The way forward is by creating ways to make both entities to coexist, to make them share spaces so that the impact on each other is minimal, while riverine ecosystems could be managed in a better way.